Hey guys, welcome to JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Today we're going to be installing this decal onto this 2017 Jeep Rubicon. First thing I'm going to have to do is take off the underpadding that's underneath this. My pry tool. The only way to get these things off without breaking them. This off. Now I'm going to have to take these two bolts out. Bolts aside so we don't lose them. Close that back up. And now we can remove that. Next, I'm going to run a bead of tape across so I know exactly where this is going. Get our tape measure up and make sure that it's the same all the way across. We get 9 inches. We'll get 9 inches, so that's perfect. Now, let's measure between the two. There's 19 inches. So 9.5 inches is what we want for the center. So we'll go like this. Go like this. And the next step is we got to make sure this is so clean because the decal will not stick to dirt. just using glass cleaner. It does a really good job of getting rid of a lot of oils, waxes, and dirt. Last thing we want to do is have this decal lift on us once we install it. Now, let's just see. Put that up there like that. And that looks pretty darn good. So now what I need to do is soak this area down with soapy water. And the best part about doing this wet is I can do it a few times, move it around a bit until I have it in the perfect spot. I'm just going to peel that tape off. Now let's squeegee it all. Because of the liquid that's underneath of it, I had to tape down where the points of the stars are, because they started just to peel a little bit. Like I say, this is going to take a little while to cure, so can't wait for the final product. Here's where it's going to get really tricky. I'm going to have to peel this so slow so it doesn't actually lift. See how it's lifting there? It's just because it's so flippin' cold in here. step I gotta do is I got to cut the decal. So. This can go back in. And look at that. That looks pretty freaking amazing. Now, let's put this all back together. And then I will call the customer up and have her come pick up her Jeep. I'm sure she's gonna love it. So as you can see, she has a pink theme going on. She's got a pink D-ring there with the handles and some literature on the side. Handles here. There's a little butterfly there. The Wrangler is in pink and the Rubicon lettering is in pink. And now she's got the Jeep Star. It really sets this apart from every other Jeep. Thanks for joining me here at Jail Johnny's Jeep Life. The customer is a bit camera shy, so she didn't want to come on here and be on video. But when she saw the Jeep, she was absolutely ecstatic and she loved it. Her first expression when she saw it was thanks enough, and that's what it's all about. So if you guys like this video, please slam that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because I upload a video every Sunday, and if you want to get notified, that's the way to do it. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, keep the rubber side down. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.